GMT for the most part rose 21.99% in 7 days, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Bears control GMTs by and large current cost activities, which explicitly is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN certainly is drifting at $315,095,195 in an unobtrusive manner. Current STEPN cost especially is $0.3216 January 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense clarified pressing issues, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for STEPN. Truly is GMT in all things considered wise venture, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN support and opposition levels and so on in a genuinely large manner. Yet, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the GMT specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense discuss the very current economic situations, showing that yet prior to plunging profound into the GMT specialized investigation, generally let us basically discuss the by and large current economic situations, or so they generally thought. Market investigation over the for the most part last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,701,864,434,951, or so they really thought. The truly complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $57,212,190,209. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $43,266.13 level after a vertical development of 0.61%. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $315.76, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span, which generally is genuinely huge. Sol, the local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is up by 0.98 and at present exchanging at $96.95, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, XRP came to 58 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.47% in esteem, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions truly show that the market for the most part is going in a by and large descending course for truly transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a sort of broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is genuinely huge. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, genuinely further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is genuinely critical. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become in every practical sense, all the more especially dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. By and large further appearance how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in a really descending bearing for commonly momentary in a genuinely significant manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers fundamentally move really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is very critical. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, sort of is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 21.99% throughout the week. So however prior to jumping pretty profound into the GMT specialized examination, especially let us in every way that really matters discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, showing that yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the GMT specialized examination, generally let us in every way that really matters discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they sort of thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is $315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very critical. There for the most part are very nearly 1,385,950,707 explicitly are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, by and large further appearance how right now, an essentially broad truly bad plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. STPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 16 January 2024, inside a very day-to-day time span, for the most part made sense of underneath, genuinely further appearance how current STPN cost by and large is $0.32 16 January 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through STPN cost investigation for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually by and large got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what generally is fundamentally transient cost expectation for STPN, explicitly is GMT a truly wise interest in a quite huge manner. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and difference, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the STPN in an unobtrusive manner fundamentally. The kind of relative strength record, RSI, shows that the GMT coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 37, exhibiting how one-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while kind of complete market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.99%, coming to $2,583.59 during the past 24 hours in a fundamentally significant manner. While GMT's Williams percent R pointer essentially is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, pretty sign most certainly is especially conceivable at this reach, genuinely further appearance how the in every way that really matters, complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $57,212,190,209, which in a real sense is very huge. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, showing how we use in every practical sense relative strength.